What is going on, family? It's your boy Terrell Bennett back with another video. Man, we are in week number 4, episode number 4 of Surviving Prop Firms. And last time we talked, it was 2 weeks ago, we talked, and I was holding the trade. I'm gonna give y'all a recap. I was holding the trade on Euro CAD. That ended up being a success, pushing the account up 3%. New year, happy New Year's. If I ain't told you already, I think I told you in the last video, but new year, same rules, ain't nothing changing. We're gonna keep churning this account until we get it to 7%. That's the goal. And then we're gonna request that payout. But I had to step up here to just, meditate, journal. Last year I realized, man, I had started slacking on my meditation. So coming into this year, man, I just wanted to meditate more. But everything else, it's staying the same. I came in this year with a bunch of momentum. I'm proud of that. I haven't felt this good in a long time. It's been a few years. So yeah, I'm proud of that, man. Just in everything in life, just coming in with a little bit of momentum, and nothing changes, man. I'm not the person that's gonna do these New Year's resolutions and all that. That's just not me. We stepping on the same shit, because at the end of the day, the goals without action is dead. Goals without action ain't nothing. So we're gonna keep applying pressure. We're gonna keep doing what we do, and we're gonna keep showing up every single day. But yeah, I just came up here. Sorry, my eyes a little watering, man. It's a little chilly. Y'all see why I'm all bundled up. It's a little chilly out here in Kuwait now. We are officially in winter, but winter here is, I think the high is like 65, 70. So it gets nice during the day. In the morning it's pretty cool, at night it's pretty cool. But yeah, man, we starting the day off really well. It's Sunday. We're gonna jump into the markets, see what we got this week. This is the first active week of the year, so I'm super excited to pop the year off. Hopefully we can have a great start to the year, and we're gonna keep applying pressure, baby. I'm gonna see y'all on the charts. All right, so we are on the screens, man. We on the charts, man. I'm excited about this upcoming week, first week of the year. And I went through my pairs, and I found 4 pairs that could potentially give us some great setups this week. So first things first, I haven't put them in any particular order just yet, but let's look at it. Like, first things first, GU, right? I'm looking at GU. We had the big push to the upside, right, where the market just rallied, made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, made a lower low, came back, kind of played around, then we dumped off, made a new low, then price pushed all the way up, shifting structure, going back bullish on the weekly, breaking this area, and then we've come back to a support region, and then we're looking for a continuation to the upside, right? That's on the weekly. So weekly is bullish. The daily is bullish as well. We had this huge impulse leg to the downside. The market played around, and then we started to just climb back up, and then finally shifting back bullish, came back to retest recent structure, gave a nice bullish pin bar. So I'm looking for a continuation to the upside. So weekly's bullish, daily's bullish. We got a nice rejection candle on the daily chart. And let's just jump down to the 4-hour. Right now, the 4-hour seems to be bearish. We played around, we was bullish for a minute, and then we had the huge drop shifting that bearish, and then we haven't broke below the low or the high yet. What I would love to see, actually, I would love to see the market push deeper into this area, pull back, do something like this, give us a shift. So all the time frames are bullish, and then we go. So that would be nice. But if it doesn't do that, then that's cool. I'm fine with, I'm still positive, or I'm still good, like going long, just because the weekly's bullish and the daily's bullish. So what I would like to see is the market push a little bit deeper into this area, and then we get the rejection to go to the upside. So that's pair number 1. Pair number 2 is Great British Pound CAD. So Great British Pound CAD is been doing some weird stuff lately, but we may, like you can see this weekly, it's just been choppy, but we might be building up some pressure to just blow through the roof. You can see, like, once it moves, it has like massive moves, right? So you can see that the market did the push to the upside. We was going bullish, making higher highs, higher lows, and then we had the huge shift to the downside. Market pulled back, made a new low, and the market pulled back to this area. Now we just got all these wicks, right? It's just real wicky. So I'm trying to see, right? So the weekly is bearish. The daily is, let's see. We had the big impulse leg to the downside, boom. Then market made a new low. It shifted bullish, shifted back bearish, then bullish, bullish, and then we made a new low here, made a new low here, and is that a potential low or maybe a double bottom? But we low, then we had to shift, started to climb back to go bullish, and now we are still bullish, right? Because the market hasn't broken that high or that low. We haven't closed above it or below it yet. So we're still bullish, and the market is trading right above the EMA. We've gotten a lot of rejection candles from this area, nice bullish engulfing, Morningstar pattern, didn't do anything. The market sank lower, had a huge rejection candle. This is what's making me think that we could potentially push to the upside, because we had price dip low, and then we had a huge wick thrown to the downside. Price closed back above the support level with a nice bullish candle, and then we got this doji right here next. So I'm thinking that the market could push back into this area and then go long. So the daily is bullish, and then the 4 hour is bullish as well. So you can see the market pushed all the way down. We chopped around for a minute, made a new low, then played around, made a new high, came back up. Let me take this magnet off. Made a new high, and then the market played around some more, made a new low, and then we pushed above, shifting structure, came back to retest that structure, and then gave a nice bullish engulfing candle on a 4 hour, pushing up. And so the market is just pulling back into this area right now. So what I want to see is a push back up. So let me just go down to the 2 hour. 2 hour is bullish as well. 1 hour, let's see, 1 hour bullish as well. 30-minute, huge bullish. Okay, so typically, honestly, man, what I'm looking at right here, what I really would like to see is the market push deeper into this area and then give us some nice bullish price action. I'm gonna go with the hour. I'm gonna wait for the hour to kind of let me know what's gonna happen, and then we can go, you know. But you can see that the market has been struggling to break this little H4 resistance area. So that's gonna be like a huge deal. So what I may do, I may wait till we close above that, retest, and then get that move to the upside. We'll see. We'll see how the market open and all that stuff. We'll see. You know what I mean? So yeah, but I'm liking this for the long as well, because we building up a lot of pressure. So let's see. Well, I'll leave that. Also, CAD, Swiss franc. You can see that the market had made a move to the downside, and then we had a little minor pullback, push, and then the market broke structure, coming back to retest the structure, gave a nice little doji candle on the weekly, and then I'm looking for a possible continuation to the upside, right? The daily is bullish as well. Huge impulse to the upside, and then the market has just been choppy, honestly. So hopefully we can get some push off of that. So the daily is bullish. You can see that we was consolidating in this area, and then we finally broke out of it, came back to retest it as support. And on the 4 hour, looks like we are bearish after this huge push to the upside. Whoops, the market pushed all the way back down, shifting it bearish. We didn't close below until we got here, made a new low. The market pushed above, making it bullish, bullish, bearish, bullish again. And then now it doesn't seem like the market has closed below here, came close or here. So we still bullish on the 4 hour. So let's see. We got a lot of doji candles as well on here. Doji, bullish engulfing. So let's see if the market pull back and then give us a push to the upside. And then last but not least, we got AUD Swiss franc. The weekly is bearish. We got this huge impulse to the downside. Nothing has closed below or above, so we bearish on the weekly. But we're trading above the EMA. I like that. The daily is bearish. Okay, well, the daily is bearish. Huge bearish move. Nothing has closed below or above. Yeah, I was thinking I didn't look back that far, but everything is kind of pointing bullish on this pair. But hey, you never know, man. So we're gonna see. So that's bearish, and then the 4 hour is also bearish. I mean bullish. The 4 hour is bullish as well. So you can see that we had this huge push to the downside, right? And then the market started to just climb to the upside, shifted bearish there, and then we played around, and then we finally shifted bullish here, and then we got some bullish momentum here. So this is gonna be a tricky one. So I'm gonna leave this one at the bottom. Because I will need to see what the market is gonna do, right? If is it gonna respect this big impulse leg to the upside, or is it gonna respect the overall push down here, even though this was a long time ago. So we're gonna see. Right now, because the market is trading above the EMA, we got some bullish candles coming off of this support level. I see it kind of going bullish, but we'll see. So I'm gonna keep my eye on this one. This is not gonna be a priority, but these three will be the priority for this week. GU, Great British Pound CAD, and CAD Swiss franc. So we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. Hopefully we can pop this week off nice, get this thing started. But yeah, that's the markets that I'm looking at for this week. Let's get to it. Let's have a great start to the year, great start to the week. Let's get it. All right, what is going on, family, man? So we are back. It is Monday, first trading day of the year, January 5th. And we starting off with a banger, man. So just to recap, last trade that we talked about that I took on this account was Euro CAD. I held it for like a week and a half, and it finally hit my take profit on Christmas Eve. So I'm gonna show you guys that right here on the trade locker. And also we took a trade earlier. I showed you guys this yesterday, you know, the pairs that I was looking at. It was GU, Great British Pound CAD, and CAD Swiss franc, AUD Swiss franc. We took the trade on GU ran.
Man, I'm tired of being right.
First day, probably because of the news of what happened with Venezuela over the weekend. But yeah, we ran, man. So I'm gonna show y'all that real quick so y'all can see. But yeah, we end up catching it right here at this support. It was beautiful. And then we ran. Yeah, it was beautiful, man. It was beautiful. So I got like multiple accounts going on right now. So this was my entry. This was the entry candle right here. And then we ran to the 2-to-1, dipped all the way back down, and then we shot off. So yeah, but I just wanted to show y'all that. And then also I wanted to show y'all the last two trades. Euro CAD, that was the one that we was holding, hit take profit, 2-to-1. Then Great British Pound USD, hit take profit. So the account is currently up 4%. So we are over halfway to the target. So I was thinking, and I'm gonna show y'all the back office too. I gotta show y'all the account. So we are on the Blue Guardian, right website. I did pass phase 1. So now this is phase 2 for this 100K account that I got. And then we got the funded account. So let me jump over to the metrics so y'all can see. So I don't know why my internet tripping today. It's acting super slow. But anyway, yeah, we moving, man. We up 4% on the account. The goal is to get to 7%. But I was thinking, yeah, I don't know, man. You know, I don't know it. Like, should I wait? Because we close to the consistency score being under 20%, right? And I'm gonna show y'all this. But what should we do? You know, should we wait? Should we trade it up to 14K? or 7% and then take the payout, or as soon as we get into payout status, should we just go ahead and lock in the payout? Just comment below, man. Let me know what y'all think I should do. Should I just go in and take the payout as soon as I get this consistency score under 20%? Or should I just trade it, stick to the original plan, trade it to 14K, and then request that 10K payout, leave 4K in there as a buffer? But I was also thinking, with these accounts, I have to leave a 1% buffer in here regardless. So that's 2K regardless, that has to stay. But I could request the whole thing. You know, I mean, I could request, like if I was to get it to 14K, I could request a 12K payout and, you know, just go from there. You know what I'm saying? But it's a big possibility that I can lose the account on the next month if I go on a losing streak, because I will only have 2 opportunities how I'm trading right now to make that thing work. But I'm gonna just show y'all the back office. So we have hit the 5 minimum trading days where you have to profit at least 0.5%. We have a 67% win rate right now. The consistency score is 27.96. We got to get that to 20% or below. And you can see we are up $8,118.75. Let me show y'all. So it matches $8,118.75. So yeah. Yeah, you can see the account is up 4%. Sorry, my screen on here dirty, but yeah, man, we rocking and rolling. We rocking and rolling at this point. Sorry if the background look crazy. I just got home from work. My son running around. If y'all don't hear him in the background, my wife keeping him occupied so I can shoot this. But yeah, man, we looking great so far. Great start to the week. Great start to the year as far as this first trade, man. Hopefully, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. Like that might be the only trade I take this week. I'm gonna keep it all the way gangster with y'all, man, because Great British Pound CAD ran already, like never pulled back. You can see this. Yeah, this thing ran all the way to the take profit. This is why I would have took profit at. So I was trying to get in down here and missed that completely. CAD Swiss franc is still playing around. We really haven't broke out. We got another doji forming on the daily, so we really just not doing nothing. AUD Swiss franc, I wanted to see how this daily candle closed to kind of let me know what we could possibly do. If we close with this nice bullish engulfing, I could wait for like price to pull back and then continue to the upside. But we'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. Like I still got my eye on CAD Swiss franc, but GU is done. I actually, like I said, I got multiple accounts going. I held this all the way up here on my personal account, so that's cool. And I can show y'all. I know this ain't got nothing to do with the series, but I can show y'all my what I did on my personal account. So yeah, I made like a quick 1,000 today, you know, on my personal account. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, you know, it's looking good. So overall we made about 3K across both accounts, and then we passed phase 1 of my challenge, my 2-phase challenge. So yeah, you know, it's been a great start to the day. I mean, great start to the week, great start to the year. First trading day of the year officially done. And we're gonna move on, man. But yeah, right now we up 4%. Let's see if we can get this thing under 20% this week. I mean, under that 20% consistency rate this week. If not, cool. I still got my eye on CAD Swiss franc, and we'll see what the market gives us, man. I'm not trying to. I ain't gonna rush nothing. I'm just taking the trades as they come, and we're gonna keep on cooking, man. But yeah, if y'all would like to see like an analysis video, like a really in-depth, because I give y'all, you know, a breakdown on the Sundays, but if y'all really want to go like get an in-depth like video or how I place my trades, man, just let me know. Drop a comment below. But I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace. All right, what is going on, family? It is another day. It is Tuesday, and we are in a trade. I took a trade earlier while I was at work. CAD Swiss franc, I talked about that yesterday. This was a possible trade that we was gonna be looking at for London session today, and it set up perfectly. We took the trade, and we are currently up a little bit right now, nothing too crazy, $545. I got my boy Young Mav with me. Yeah, say hey, Bubba. I got my boy Young Maverick with me. So yeah, we looking good. I was able to catch this trade, so I'm gonna be honest, this will most likely be my last trade of the week, which I'm perfectly fine with, honestly. We are moving in the right direction. We almost under that 20% consistency rule. Hopefully if this trade hit the take profit, we'll probably be there. So I'll be at payout status, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update. Just got home. I'm gonna spend some time with my little dog right here, my wife. Hey. And but yeah, this is just to show y'all the trade on the screens. So yeah, hopefully we'll see how this thing ends up playing out for the rest of the day. But yeah, you want to say bye? We'll see them tomorrow. Say bye-bye. Peace. Yeah. Yo, so hey man, my bad. It's been a couple days. I'm gonna be honest. It's been 2 days. It's Thursday right now. Last time we talked, I was in CAD Swiss franc, and I'm gonna just show y'all the update on this trade. We back in profit. We was in profit. We was cooking. I mean, and it came close to my stop loss, literally like 2 pips from taking me out, and then pushed all the way back up. That's why it's so important to like hold. And as you can see, let me see, let this load up. Yeah, so you can see we ain't up too much. $389, nothing too crazy. The market just playing, man, honestly. But it's so important to just hold your trades, man. It's so important to just not like micromanage, not just be so involved with the trades, man. My trades are binary, honestly. It's either gonna hit my stop loss or it's gonna hit my take profit. That's it. I've been the person that just sat there and just watched the trade. Pip after pip, candle after candle, micromanaging, go in the drawdown, I'm closing it, and then for it to just turn around just like this one and go to my take profit. So it's important, man. Just hold your trades, leave them alone, set them and forget them. That's the reason why you set a stop loss. Set a stop loss. If it take you out, take the L. It is what it is. If it hit your take profit, cool. Go on about your business. But like I said, it's Thursday. I'm sorry, man. I did not record at all yesterday. Nothing really was going on. I was just really managing this trade, to be honest. But yeah, this trade is back in profit, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Hopefully we can get the push tomorrow. Hopefully we can close this trade out tomorrow, because tomorrow's actually my birthday. So that'll be great to close this trade out. You know, if we take a L on my birthday, hey, it is what it is. But yeah, that's the update. We in CAD Swiss franc. We still holding. Right now we are currently up 1% for the week. So we are up total 4% on the account, and we just gonna keep on churning, man. One trade at a time, one trade at a time. So hopefully this can push tomorrow. If not, then we're gonna hold it over the weekend. And I know that I've been doing a lot of that in this series, and that's crazy because I usually don't do that. But I'm at a point now, like I said, that my trades are binary, so I just let them do what they do. You know what I'm saying? It's either gonna hit stop loss or hit take profit. However long it's gonna take is however long it's gonna take. You know what I mean? Just because you get into the market don't mean the market gonna move. So I'm just showing up every day, doing my job, showing up every day, just being consistent, being focused on the process, trying to detach from the outcome. And that's it, man. That's all I can do. You know, I've put myself in a great position to win this trade. That's all I can do. I'm at the mercy of the market. So I'll tap in with y'all tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow is Friday. I'm off tomorrow. I'm taking off tomorrow because they switched my schedule as well. So at work. So I'm Monday through Friday now. But I'm taking tomorrow off because it's my birthday. And then I'm gonna give y'all an update. Y'all hear Bubba in the background. I'm gonna give y'all an update on this trade. Hopefully we hit take profit. What you want? Huh? You wanna say something? Hi. All right. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm about to put him to sleep because it is almost 9:30 p.m. here. So peace. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Top of the morning, people. It is Friday, January 9th, my birthday.
And my day on birthday.
We are checking back in. I'm still holding the trade from yesterday, cash Swiss franc. It's not doing too much of nothing. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute, but yeah, we just up, eating breakfast. My beautiful wife did an amazing job on some shrimp and grits for me this morning. Of course, we got little bro in the back, being Maverick. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all. You gonna say hi? Okay. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. So yeah, let me just show y'all this trade update. I'm gonna keep today kind of short just because it's my birthday. And so yeah, we gonna see what's going on. London session is in full effect. We're like an hour into London session right now. The market, like I said, really ain't doing too much of nothing. Cash Swiss franc is just one of them slow pairs, man, but you can see right here. That's how the trade looking so far. I like it because we didn't broke above this H4 structure area and we holding that support. So hopefully we can start to get that push to the upside today. Worst case scenario, I hold it over the weekend. Like I say, right now we are up about $540 on the account. Hopefully we can hit take profit. That'll put us up 5% on the account. And I may or may not be in like payout status. I'm not sure after this trade because right now the consistency score is at 27%. I got to get it to 20 or below, so we'll see. But yeah, man, I'm just checking in. It's morning time. It's noon. It's 12:03 p.m. So I'll check back in with y'all a little later, especially when New York session open. Hopefully we can get some volume. Hopefully we can push. It is Friday, so we'll see. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. I'll let y'all know. Either way it go, I'm gonna hold a trade. So it's either gonna hit stop loss or take profit. But I'll check back in with y'all later on. Sorry, my nose running a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my breakfast and then enjoy my morning, afternoon with my family. So, peace. Yo, so, hey, it's the end of the day. We in New York session. It's been a few hours. The market is just still kind of consolidating. It's really not breaking out to the upside or downside. So I'm gonna just show y'all this and then I'm gonna close this thing out for this week. I know this week kind of been, so this is what we looking like in the market right now. And then this is what the trade is looking like. We only up about 660 or something like that. Hold on, brother. But yeah, man, we just chilling. Like I said, it is my birthday, so we order some dinner. That's coming through. Sorry, I'm a mess. I'm looking crazy. That's what happens when you got a toddler that climb all over you all day. But yeah, right now the account is up 4%, so we over halfway there, and we just gonna keep applying pressure. I know this week's vlog has been a little bit kind of spotty and all over the place, but hey, we getting it done, man. It's been a weird week. I ain't gonna lie. Market wise, it's been smooth. It's been pretty chill, but yeah, we're gonna keep applying pressure, keep going. I will see y'all next week. We're currently up 4%. And we got this trade going. Hopefully this will get us to 5%. This will get us to that payout status. And, whatever happens, of course, I'm going to let y'all know. We win, lose, or draw. It is what it is. And we're going to go from there. But right now, my son is actually destroying my laptop because he got my mouse. So, peace. See y'all next week. Y'all know the motto, man. All pressure, all precision, all performance. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I appreciate y'all. Love y'all.